It's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me.
What's up, what's up? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Hi, Ying. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, guys. Ay, ikaw ito yung screen. Nandito, helmet by Sweetie Belle. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yo, yo, yo. I'm back with another video, guys. So, guys, today is February 13. So, bukas, guys, is araw ng mga puso, guys. Shoutout to Sniper na naka-blue. So shoutout sa mga couples dyan, alright. So guys, today is again February 13, 2021. And time check, it's 1 o'clock. So punta tayo dun sa Maya, guys. Gala na naman tayo, alright. So guys, naiwan na natin yung mga kasama natin, no? So stop over muna tayo dun sa kabila, dun sa unahan. So gala naman tayo, guys. Let's go. Sana hindi umulan, no? Sana hindi umulan, Lord, please. One time lang. Shoutout sa 130 plus subscribers natin dyan.
Thank you very much.
Shoutout sa Kapwa Motor Vloggers. Maraming salamat panonood, guys. And also, what else? Please also check my previous videos para dumami na naman yung ano natin. Para dumami yung mga viewers natin. Haha. Alright. Woo! Careful, careful. Blind curve. Update ko na lang kayo later, guys, kapag may ganap tayo. Alright. Babush! Checkpoint, checkpoint. Quick update, guys. Nandito tayo sa Mambuaya checkpoint. Alright. Makakalusot ba tayo, mga kapatid? Yan ang tanong. Shoutout sa mga frontliners dyan. Mga sir, mga sir, shout out. Motorcycle lane this way. So yun, guys, no, nakalampas na tayo ng checkpoint doon sa Mambuaya. And iniwan na tayo ng isa nating kasamahan. Habol. So guys, yung weather natin ngayon is medyo makulit. Bagag jacket, oh. Hindi jacket dito, ah. Shout out, bikers. Health is wealth. Sana all. Sana all. Magpapagas muna tayo dito, guys, sa Fuel Master gas station. Sab. Palalala. Yon. Sila lang pala nagpa-gas up dahil full tank tayo, lods. Full tank. Alright, guys, quick update. Focus na sa daan, guys. So nandito na tayo sa Cagayan de Oro City again and again for the 1 million time. Well, thank God at hindi umulan guys, no? Hindi umulan. Shout out. Punta kami ng Amaya. Parang nalimutan ko ng daan Hindi ko na maalala. Hindi ko na maalala kung saan ang daan. Yun, yung may malalaking tsaa doon dito, tsaa. Malalaking pickups. Yarin ko to. What do you think guys? Tama bang pinupuntahan natin guys? Wow, sports car! Subaru! Wow, walang signal light! Shout out! Yun, no? Going up. Sana hindi pa tayo lobat. Sa wakas, patag na dyan. Tinitingnan ko yung mga kasamahan natin guys. Baka hindi nakasunod. Parang wala akong nakikita na nakamotor Sana all. Parang gusto ko rin magbike Let's join the trend. Dagan siguro tao ko rin ba? Marami siguro mga tao ron guys kasi weekend ngayon Yun. Turn right, turn right, turn right. Yun. Let's go. Let's see if makapasok tayo guys, no? Let's try and try. Naku, rough road dito. Aguy. Adabado. Ababawi. Rough road, rough road. Nag-parachute ba Sakay pa naing. Paragliding. Paragliding dahil. Nag-parachuting. Ada kayo? Malay. Kita nyo yan guys. Nag-paragliding sila guys Pila kayo? Kung ba? Paragliding sila guys.
A few moments later.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. While the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Kinawe Blooming Farm. Riders nyo, dalawa nyo na helmet.
Ako dalawa na yun, kaya na-impas.
1G. No face mask, no entry. Yo, no? Yo guys, welcome. Welcome to Kinawe Flower Farm.
Libre cottage dire.
Libre. Dulo ka ma'am. 200 ang cottage.
Ay binuang.
Joke. Saan nga tanong? Masang utok ba? Parang utak guys. Parang utak yung bulaklak. Char! Sunflower!
A few moments later.
So, yan guys, no? Hindi kami nakapasok ng Amaya, guys. So, dito lang kami sa flower garden. Sa tawag, Kinawe? Kinawe. Doon sa maraming sunflowers. Shout out. Now guys, punta naman kami ngayon sa overview. Nakapunta na kami dito last guys, pero medyo kinapos tayo ng oras, kaya balik tayo doon, di ba? Balik tayo doon. Nakapunta na tayo dito last a few days ago. So tayo ay babalik. Malapit lang to guys sa Kinawe Flower Farm, Flower Chuba. Dito nyo makikita yung malupitang view ng falls and etc. So we're here. Dito tayo sa Vista West Park and Cafe. Vista West. Yun, pasok na tayo guys. Woo! Medyo rough road ang daan papasok guys. Let's go! Vista West Park and Cafe. So nandito na tayo guys. Nandito na tayo guys. So 1 bar na tayo guys. 25 or 20 or 25 yung entrance dito guys, ha? Ay 20 pala yung entrance dito. So 20 pesos lang ang 20 pesos lang yung entrance fee dito guys. Doon sa Kinawe Flower Garden or Flower Farm, 50 pesos yung entrance fee guys. Doon sa Flower Garden guys, 50 pesos yung entrance fee at consumable. Woo! Consumable guys. Alright, so we're here. So off ko muna yung camera guys. Babush! Hi guys!
Bisaya siya guys.
Bisaya guys. Hindi ako marunong magbisaya guys.
Ito.
First time namin dito ni Aisha guys.
Ayun siya guys, magparag ang jacket tara guys. Buwan na yung jacket. Guys.
Sweet to guys, ayong diri ba? Pagtukay.
So yan guys, no, pauwi na tayo guys. And dito ko na tatapusin yung kanta. Charot. Dito ko na tatapusin yung vlog guys. Kaya maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung nanonood pa rin kayo hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat sa pag-click, sa pag-like, sa pag-comment, sa pag-share, sa pag-dislike. Charot. And guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe and ring that notification bell. And also, please watch my previous videos and mag-comment na lang kayo sa baba guys, para masaya. Alright, this is Pretty Boy from Pretty Boy Vlogs Videos. Babush!
Bye.